Today we have a 2006 Kingston CL-38C 2000. Machine has two 20-inch chucks. Front is 4-jaw, rear is 3-jaw. Machine has a Fanuc 0 ITC control. It's got a tailstock, steady rest. It's got a chip conveyor, 2-speed gearbox. We're gonna run it. We in low?
It's high range.
High range, we're at 160. That's 300. Max speed is 1200 on this machine. Switching gears. 25 and low. We're at 100. $155. Machine has a 7.3-inch spindle bore. The axis sounds good. Now the X. Do the tailstock quill. Gonna pull up the hours on the control. It's got 5,409 cut hours. Okay, machine's in good shape, ready for inspection in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you.